Hello friends, I think that three languages are very necessary for everybody to learn, must to learn. And what are those three languages? First language is your mother tongue. Wherever you born, whatever language your mother is speaking or whatever language in your territory is spoken is called your mother tongue. So I think that it is very necessary to know mother tongue. After mother tongue, the next step is to learn the national language, the language which is the official language of your country or which is spoken in your country. You should learn that language also. And after national language, the other international languages that is very necessary to learn is English language, the international language. Three languages: mother tongue, your national language and international language. If you learn these three languages, then I think it's okay enough. No need of learning more languages, because right now you are busy, you can't spare time to learn so many languages. So it is necessary to learn three languages that I have stated: the mother tongue, the national language of your country and the international language, that is the English language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, I Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.